In this video, we'll learn to sketch linear functions. So you might have it written like this, or perhaps like this. So we'll find the value of the function for two specific values of x. So let's pick two random values for x, maybe 1 and 3. So when x is equal to 1, we'd have 4 times 1, take away 5. 4 times 1 is 4, take away 5, that gives us -1. So when x is 1, f of x is -1. So 1, -1. That's the point. Let's find another one. So when x is equal to 3, we said before. So then we'll do 4 times 3, take away 5. 4 times 3 is 12, take away 5, that gives us 7. So we'll plot the point 3, 7. That's all we need. You can use a ruler now to join these two dots and extend the line. Through the line now you can find other points. So when x is 2, for example, the value of the function is 3. Let's label it. Now we'll try another one. Y is equal to -2x plus 6. So let's find two values for when x is equal to 1 and 3, just like before. So -2 times 1 at 6. -2 times 1 is -2. Add 6, that gives us 4. So 0.14. When x is 3, we go -2 times 3, add 6. -2 times 3 is -6. Add 6, that gives us 0. So that's the point. Again, we'll use a ruler to join these two dots, and we'll label it. So pretty much like we did with the linear equations. There are other ways as well to sketch linear functions. One of them is through the intercept. So the y-intercept you can see here is -5. So I know that 0.0 -5 will be one of the points on this function. So there we have 0, -5. If I just extend the line a bit, you can see that the y-intercept, and then I could just find another point and connect those two through a line. Same thing here, we've got a +6, so that's where the y-intercept goes, and there we have it. So 0, 6 is one of the points on the line. Then find another point and just join them two together. So that is slightly different from finding the coordinates of 2 points, just like we did here. You can also use the gradient. It says 4 in here, and we've got -2. So for this one, it means going up by 4 each time. So there we have it. -5, then it's gone to -1, then it goes to 3, and so on, the y coordinate. And this one here goes down by 2 each time. So if you use the y-intercept and then go down 2 each time, so from 6, then you go to 4, then you go to 2, 0, -2, and so on.